chips. That's great. I was out. I'll have to work on moving these after I get the lawn mowed and water started. Got the pasture grass mowed, plus the lawn up by the house. So add some water. Gotta get it all healthy before winter. I think Harold needs some loving. I have the water going now. It's going across the lane so it can water the little fir tree. Sure is a beautiful day. First load that came in. We got this big pile here. With the first load of chips, I was able to complete filling in this grass area. So we're gonna move this trailer and maybe dump a little bit more. Pack it down first. And then put the better chips over the top of it. Yeah, I'm thinking this will be the end of my tractor work today. My back's kind of killing me. It's after 5 p.m. right now, so I have to feed the animals and a few other things around here. So I appreciate you watching. I'll catch you next time.